Hi guys, quick video just to talk over the price action as well as my trades the day following the FOMC meeting. So the meeting yesterday built some nice liquidity. I wasn't expecting the volatile moves today. I expected a little bit more close quarters price action. So we identified the algorithms early on. We've got the position blue. We've got the sort of teal peeling one, the liquidity building one, and we've got the main pink. So as we broke through the the bottom side of that level, this is where I should have entered because we also broke the 5-day moving average. Too chicken though, didn't take it, and a bit disappointed with myself for that. We had the precision green down, and we started a little bit basing here and broke through the first line. So I waited to see, how it'd play out a little bit more. We started basing again, and Eric mentioned here that, as we start getting this sort of price action where we break out of the green, to start bringing the lines in to work out where we're going, where the algorithms are. So I pulled the lines down, copied them, pulled them down. We broke through, retested, a perfect entry. For anyone who actually took the trade. But for me, I'm sort of working on the mindset. I'll try and get out of the mindset of, where can this price action go? Where can it not go? So that's the wrong way to think, but that's sort of a bad habit that I've been worked into over the years, and I just sort of need to break and think about where are the profits on the chart, rather than where can these candles can or cannot reach. So yeah, totally missed that one. And we got the precision blue because I identified it earlier, or at least I can't remember if I identified this one or if it was Eric, but either way, it was identified earlier. I pulled those blues down and copied them here. Now, a mistake Eric made was he redrew them manually, whereas what I've found is that, these algorithms tend to keep the same width a lot of the times. So I like to copy them from what's already been identified. Now Eric's line, because he manually redrew it, these candles cut through the upper line, whereas mine, penny perfect, hit. Because we'd had such strong price action without much of a pull into the 5-day moving average, into the bottom algo line here, into the daily resistance. That's why I decided to sort of take a short here just for a quick scalp back to the support of the precision blue. And I'd moved this line up from earlier, and I kept it as dotted, or dashed. So what dash means to me is, that's where I think the line will be, but it's not confirmed. And once it's confirmed and you take trades off of it, I make it solid. So with this purple line, that's where I was looking for like a long entry. After missing this move, I'm going to push up, pull back into the purple line, and getting that nice move upwards. Again, trying not to think about where it can go. Trying to sort of condition my mind, but I was looking at that as an entry for the upward side move. However, we went stronger than I thought, and I got the short as a scalp. Full size on, full size off, one in, one out. So we powered on through those resistance levels that I talked about, and we started hitting the daily blue level here, where it coincided with the upper level resistance from the earlier algo. So I pulled across the sort of teal blue, and as we broke out of the precision blue and retested precision blue as well as the teal, and obviously we've got the upper sides from earlier as well on the orange. I took an entry. We'd had a little bit of a pull, but not much. So this candle failed to break down further, and this one had a little bit of a pull, but didn't look like it's pulling strong. So I took off half just to protect. I believe I'm risking the daily at this point. You know, the blue, strong blue, and we've had a little retrace back into the teal, and as we pull back into, you see this horizontal level that I'd worked out earlier, which coincided with uh, the bottom sides of the teal. So I took the rest off there. Now we've got this purple line from earlier, which we've broken below, and that was sort of confirmed to me as well with this price action buying off of it here. So we need to make that solid. So we've broken through that, which now becomes resistance. We've still got the resistance of the teal line here, and try to see through all the prices, try to rework out what my thought process was. So yeah, I was looking for the precision green down, so obviously we got the precision green earlier. I'd pulled these precision greens across, and I took in the I took the short here, and I took it off as we broke through the upper teal line, and then I actually mistook that as like a breakout. I need to work on that. Sometimes I think I see a breakout to the upside, and I think, okay, now we've opened and we're pulling into it, and then we'll get a push. So I need to, like I say, I need to work on that and work out what's a breakout, what's not a breakout. And I bought. Obviously, we broke through, came back down, so I sold. Completely missed the move that I'd planned here and got stopped out. But what I did is I took this long trade into the shallower purple, which I identified earlier. So this the shallower purple I put in first, and second steeper purple. So it's basically a trade that I talked about taking as we sort of broke here, looking for a pull and then push up. I took that trade. So we've gone into the purple at the it's not just the purple, it's the orange line as well. So it was a dual algorithm buy, and it was could have been a falling knife buy, but I thought it's worth the risk. Quick stop out if not, because I was risking this this line here. So if it was a falling knife thing and we broke through strong enough, then I would have cut it. But I bought, and we had the sort of push up into the towards the 5-day, but I got off as we a little bit earlier as we were sort of testing this bottom teal. The price action wasn't pushing strong at this point, so I took a protection, and the next candle opened, and I was looking for a push up, but it just seemed weak. We didn't seem like we had the same buying power as this precision blue. So obviously I pulled the precision blues down, and I was looking for the precision blue buying, which didn't seem strong. So I just took it off for final profits there. Oof. No, that's not too complicated. Few things I need to work on the back of this, as I mentioned, working out what's a breakout, what's not a breakout, and to stop thinking about where the price action can and cannot go. Other than that, I think I did some pretty okay trading. I think I'm going along okay. So yeah, let's keep going. And once we've had a couple of green weeks on the paper, I'll start moving to live, trading this sort of strategy live for real.